In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in CapCut PC. If you've ever cut the wrong track, deleted a clip by accident, or nudged something out of place, don't worry. CapCut makes it incredibly quick to reverse a mistake so you can keep editing with confidence. The fastest way is with your keyboard. Simply press Ctrl+Z. The instant you press it, CapCut rolls back your very last action and restores your project to how it was just before the change. This works for common edits like cuts, trims, deletes, moving clips on the timeline, and even adjustments to effects or text. If you made a few mistakes in a row, keep tapping Ctrl+Z to step back through your recent actions one by one. It's a great habit to use this shortcut as soon as something doesn't look right, because it's immediate and keeps your momentum going. Just make sure CapCut is the active window when you press it, so the shortcut applies to your edit. If you prefer using your mouse, look just above your timeline tracks for the small toolbar. On the left side, you'll see a left curved arrow icon. That's the undo button. Click it, and CapCut instantly reverses your last action, just like the keyboard shortcut. You can click it multiple times to keep stepping back through your recent changes. If you're new to the interface, try hovering your mouse over the icon. CapCut will typically show a tooltip that says Undo, which helps you confirm you've got the right button. Now, if you go a bit too far and undo more than you intended, there's a simple fix. Right next to the Undo icon, you'll find a right curved arrow icon. This is the Redo button. Click it to bring your edits back, moving forward through your change history until everything is back where you want it. It's like fast-forwarding your timeline changes to the point you were happy with. Click as many times as needed to restore the specific edits you want to keep. That's really all there is to it. Use Ctrl+Z for the quickest undo, or click the left curved arrow on the toolbar if you're working with the mouse. And if you undo too far, use the right curved arrow to redo and restore. With these simple tools, you can experiment freely, make precise edits, and fix slip-ups instantly, so nothing slows you down. You're all set, done.